Hi guys, what's up? It's Erica. This is going to be a different kind of video for me. I'm going to be cleaning and organizing my filming / office room and getting some things out of here, and I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. I've been watching these cleaning videos and they're super motivating. I look a mess, so ignore that. It's not horrible, but it's pretty bad. Let me just show you. So this is, I was supposed to do a tour of this room years ago, but it's just not quite done, so you know how that goes. So this is my library bookshelf thingy. It's not too messy. I just gotta straighten up some books, get some stuff going over here. This is where I typically film all of my videos, is either in front of this shelf. Now sometimes I'll show this shelf in the background and blur it out, and then sometimes I'll hang backdrops off of this rod here. And here are a few of the backdrops that I have. These are huge and heavy, but if you guys want to know where I got these from, I'll put them in the description box below. This is my workstation type thing. I'm supposed to fill stuff out on here. I don't ever do that. This is some frames and stuff that I either need to hang or in here or somewhere else in the house that I need to print pictures or get pictures for. Now here we're gonna come to the mess. So this is my desk. It is a wreck. So this is where everything goes to die and collects. So when I film videos, I kind of sit here, and then when I reach for stuff or I put stuff down, it just goes on this desk and then it just lives there forever. So I gotta clean that off. So this is over here. Oh my god, it's a mess. Oh, it's embarrassing. Then this is a little side table. This is literally my bed from when I was a kid. This isn't anyone's bedroom, so we kind of use it as a guest room, but nobody ever sleeps in here because we have a bed. We have another guest room, which is actually my mother-in-law's room, that has a really, really comfortable bed. So nobody ever sleeps here because this is literally the mattress that I used when I was a child. So I'm going to get this bed out of here, and I think I'm going to move my desk over here. This is my cork board, vision board, motivation board wall. I definitely want to get everything off of it and just make it look prettier and more organized. I want to hang my YouTube 100,000 subscribers plaque. So go ahead and subscribe. Thanks. This is my old desk. And this is where I oh, there's some hair. Oh my god. This is my old desk, and this is where products go. This is also another spot where I when I'm filming, I kind of just throw stuff on this desk. So this is my infamous giveaway stash that I promise you I'm going to be making a video either at the end of June or at the beginning of July where I give away all these products. These are products that I need to either do posts or videos on. Here's some curl mix. I need to do a video on this super quickly. Eco Star Gel Alternative. But yeah, this is stuff, but I definitely want to get this desk out of here. It's a bunch of cords. So I need to find another home for this, which it could probably go on my bookshelf somewhere or in containers underneath there. This is my TV, and I don't actually watch television on this, but this I really just use as my viewfinder for my camera. So I have a T2i, and it doesn't have a flip out screen. But so I have this cord, this right here, this magical cord that literally plugs into my camera, and then I show up on the screen, or whatever I'm filming shows up on the screen, and it's amazing, and I can tell if I'm in focus or I'm blurry or if the camera is recording. And then we're back to the front door, and then there's my camera. So yeah, it's time to get started. I think I'm gonna set this camera up to film overall, and then I'll use my iPhone to do zoomed in shots. I guess y'all really don't care about the logistics of this video. Okay, so I think the first thing I'm gonna do is get some of this big pieces out of here so that I can have some room to work. kind of overwhelmed. I've only been working for like 10 minutes. So I got all my pillows out of here. I got all my filming equipment out. So I want to get this bed out of here. The only thing is, like, I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to take it apart before I can get it out, which that's going to suck. So I'm going to take this mattress out. I have a bunch of things underneath this bed that like backdrops and empty boxes that just need to find a better home. So I'm gonna do that. So that's cleared out until I can get Eric to help me get this bed out of here. So I'm gonna work on this area. So I know some of these boxes are empty and I can just recycle. The problem is I don't really have a designated space. If I get rid of this table, where am I gonna keep these products? So I don't really have room on my shelving, on my shelves right now. But I guess I'll just have to make room somewhere on there. I have to keep the products I want to give away separate from the products that I need to do videos on and test out. And then this really goes on my desk. Some of this stuff is just garbage. All right, let's get started. I really need some more of these containers. At least maybe 2 more. Or if they have even bigger ones. The problem is like, I like things to be symmetrical, and they don't have this one at Target anymore. So if I get another gray one, what? It's not gonna, like, if I get 2 gray ones, it's gonna be weird to have 3 gray ones and then 1 ombre. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna put all the products over here somewhere on this shelf for right now, so I can get this table out. All right, so it's time to get down to business. This desk. Well, okay, it's messier than it was before because I put some stuff from the other areas onto here, which was probably, like, you know, a terrible idea. But I mean, I digress. So we're gonna get down to business. I'm just gonna. There's a lot of just trash on here, and just like a lot of products that I have done my work with, and I can just put it away. And there's also snacks. There's chocolate and stamps. Oh my God, I found this on my desk. This is my graduation picture from when I graduated from college. Oh, sweetie, look at my hair. It is utterly relaxed. Oh my God. And I'm holding chapstick. Isn't that just a mess? right, so this is looking so much more open and free and amazing. We're gonna replace this floor in here. I'm gonna get something more like hardwood looking. Could you not? Could you not? But I'm loving the desk here. It just makes, and like having all of this open space. Carter, could you not eat that? I want to do something about these wires. What? This is still a wreck over here. So this is where I ended up putting all of the products for the giveaway up here until I get some more containers. Here is all the products that I'm going to do videos or posts about. Yeah, I gotta straighten this area up, but I just don't know if I'm gonna get it done today. So this might be just a part 1. So this is the overall view for now. I'm gonna vacuum and I think I'm gonna be done for right now. And then I'm gonna kick this dude out because he's a mess. And I'm gonna move that table somewhere else. And this is like the overall look. The TV wires, gotta get those taken care of. That, a Stinkies. And then there's the closet / library thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for part 2 when I finally get everything set up and looking good. Hey. See you guys.